Makita recently released 3 new line trimmers on the 40V Max platform, and they're all really great, but today I want to focus on the new 40V Multifunction Powerhead, which has been added to that same platform. It features this brushless motor which can power a full range of multifunction attachments, from hedge trimmers and lines trimmers to cultivators, power brooms, and even a blower. All the same units that can already be powered by the 18 and 36V LXT powerhead and the 4-stroke petrol powerhead. And I just got to say up front, this unit's surprisingly powerful with a whole kilowatt of max output. That's almost 25% more than that 4-stroke petrol powerhead equivalent. Now, changing attachments on this powerhead is really quick and it's toolless. The powerhead itself's got a variable speed trigger and 3 max speed settings. The top speed, 9,700 RPM. Now, singling out a couple of components that are very cool, you can't go past the power broom. It's surprisingly abrasive, and with this powerhead, it's really powerful as well, removing this dried up mud and dust from around this old drain cover, taking it right back to the bare, new looking concrete. Makita's got an extension pole for this system, which increases your reach, great for pairing with a hedge trimmer or the pole saw. I'm using it here with the pole saw, which is intended for pruning small branches which are out of reach, but I push it to its limits here, and it performed well. And the line trimmer attachment is really great as well, with 300mm of max cutting width and a nylon easy feed head. And the base of that guard with the line cutter is removable, so you can use this same attachment with Makita's metal cutting blades sold separately. As I said right at the top of the video, if you're looking for just a line trimmer and you don't want the versatility of all these attachments driven by the one powerhead, then Makita's just released 3 new line trimmers on the XGT platform. But if you want to use all these attachments, check out the XGT Multi-Function Powerhead. It's available now at all Sydney Tools stores, including all the attachments. It's also available at sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.